In this video, I'm going to show you how to determine whether or not a given point lies on a given line. So we're going to find out whether or not -4, -11 is a point on the line -2x plus 3 equals y. So you may not have graph paper, you may have graph paper that doesn't extend far enough to see if this point is on your line. So there's an algebraic way to figure it out, and it's really easy. In an ordered pair, the first number represents your x coordinate and the second number represents your y coordinate. So to find out if this point is on this line, all you want to do is substitute these values into this equation and see if it makes it true. If it makes it true, it's on the line. And if it doesn't, it's not on the line. So we're going to write our equation over, y equals -2x plus 3. But now we're going to replace the x and y values with our ordered pairs. Okay, be careful not to just go in order, but replace the correct value. So my x value is -4. So I'm replacing x with -4. I'm going to put in parentheses so it doesn't look like -2 minus 4. My y value is -11, so I'm going to replace that with -11, and I'm going to bring down my plus 3. And now I'm just going to evaluate and see if I get a true statement or not. So on the right side, I'm following my order of operations. I'm going to multiply first. So -2 times -4 is +8. I'm going to bring down my plus 3, bring down my equal sign, and bring down the left side of my equation. On the right side, I have just one thing left to do is add 8 plus 3, which gives me 11. So I get 11 equals -11. And this is not a true statement. So because this point did not make this equation true, that means that no, this point does not lie on that line. So if I was to graph it, it would be off of the line. All right, here's one more example. Let's see if 6, 0 lies on this line that I have right here. So again, we're going to substitute values in. So my 6 is the x and my 0 is the y. So let's take that equation. Y equals 1/2 x minus 3. We're going to replace the y with 0. I'm going to bring down my 1/2. We're going to replace the x with 6 and bring down my -3. And now we're just evaluating. So on the right side of the equation, I see that I have multiplication. So I've got 3. I'm bringing down my -3 and bringing down the left side of my equation. On the right side, I still have 3 minus 3 left to do, which gives me 0. And so that leaves me with 0 equals 0. This is a true statement. And because this point made this equation true, that means that yes, this is a point that is on that line. So if I was to graph that line, 6, 0 would indeed be on it. All right, here's a practice problem for you guys. See if you could figure out if the point 97 lies on the line y equals x over 3 plus 4. When you think you've got the answer, check the bottom of the description. The answer will be there for you. If you got it right, go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know how you did it.